camera what
And
you're...
then, here's one I prepared earlier. Here's another one. And we'll take the mask off.
When you're done stirring, show the consistency.
Okay.
Here.
Okay, I think this is about right. This is real chunky. This is gonna stay up on the
Mix it really well. Yep.
And start the clock.
I think the clock actually started 20 seconds ago.
Yeah, okay. Okay, real
Okay.
chunky. Oatmeal. So it stays up on his face without me doing a lot of work.
High viscosity.
Close your eyes.
Stand,
Yeah.
when you can, stand to the side.
Okay.
You need a left-handed artist here.
Yeah.
Doing okay?
That's how it's gonna be. So I'm sort of trying to establish an outside edge, just so it'll be peelable, you know?
Yeah, so it's not too thin.
Yeah.
Oop.
No, I got you.
Do you need a paper towel?
No.
Yeah. When we did the class, he did the nose last.
Yeah.
The nose was last.
Yeah.
And if your nostril gets covered, you can just blow out real
You could
fast.
put
Yeah.
your, yeah, you can put your
Yeah.
hands
Exactly.
underneath your poncho and sort of cup it so it doesn't drip on your pants.
We go a little thicker around that.
Yeah.
With those drips and the look on his face, he looks like a really mean guy.
Doing
It's like,
okay,
it's like
Adrian?
a silent hill.
Good.
Sure. Just trying to keep your nose clean.
It's clear. I actually think you need to get some down the...
Under, yeah. Got you.
Yeah, so this is where the tiny spatula would really come in handy to do the little...
Yeah.
I just couldn't find any.
Well, and a pinch fingers.
Could you yank his hair out? Otherwise we're gonna have a... Yeah, we're gonna have a waxing situation that nobody asked for.
His hair doesn't want to listen to me.
That's the good idea.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. There we
You
go.
guys probably wear a headband.
We do, I think, yeah.
Yeah, you wore a headband.
Mm.
Okay, so...
we're all gonna go
so
to
you can
lunch. We'll see you later, Adrian.
That was the other thing he said in the video, is like, don't leave your person. Like, you know, your
No,
person is
no.
sitting there, like, you know.
Okay, don't smile. Okay, we got a nice good close
Yeah,
up.
that's pretty
Try to
much,
shake it
that's how you
seriously.
take it off at the end, is you start smiling.
Right.
Your whole face moves and,
That's a really good point.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so, you
Nobody be
guys,
funny.
anybody wanna get started with your,
Mix it up.
so,
I tell you, I would
Figure out where
not,
you're gonna
I would
sit.
not do this at home with just me and Mike. Not a chance.
trusting, aren't we?
For some things.
You
Oh, I
guys
thought
wanna
you were
go?
afraid of the mold turning out bad. Are you worried about a murder plot?
Okay,
No.
okay. Let's not be too junky.
All right.
Well, we can laugh, we just can't laugh.
No.
Oh, did we want it to be hot or cold?
Cold. Room temperature is actually really good.
Cold.
It feels cold going on anyway, so you probably don't want it too
If you do
cold.
it hot, it sets up faster,
Right.
and you don't need that. Sometimes they'll do that if they're doing like a, I don't know, something.
My first time.
As creepy as I thought it would be on my eyes. Like I'm having a little facial.
Yeah, it just feels like a face mask.
Oh yeah, that's the English better.
Okay.
You shouldn't have to. You need to get it off in?
I mean, just lift the edges so it's
cures.
Okay,
So-
well, it'll keep curing, so the thing is, okay, so, Adrian, I think you can lean forward and just sort of wiggle your face.
Yeah.
Nope, that's okay.
There you go.
Woohoo! That's
All right,
me.
There you are.
There's you.
Thank
Looking
you.
very unhappy, but that's understandable.
No, I always look that way.
Frown.
That's resting agent face.
Oh,
Show us to the camera.
I brought another T-shirt just in case. I figured that something like that can happen.
Get ready for this,
Non-toxic, non-drying.
snapshots online. So those are actually better.
Okay, so step forward and put your hand.
Take like a roll.
Yep.
And you roll that around the edge.
Excellent. So, just tear it
Get
away.
rid of this.
Okay,
What you're using right now, that gray, is something totally different.
It's a water-based. The difference is these are both oil. I think they're both sulfur-free.
after you do it 10 or 20 times, you probably get really good at it.
Or you learn the tricks.
I guess you just want enough of it so it doesn't ooze away.
Right. But his was very nice and neat, you know, little regular lines. It wasn't like all